the facade that you're putting on is not generating from your income or out of your pocket or from your hard labor. It's somebody else is doing it. Now, the moment that person is taken out of the picture, you're going to revert back to square one. Buddy, you meet a overseas person and you love the person and the person love you. No stress them out, man. No stress them out. No be too gravalicious. No burn them. No burn them down every minute you want. No burn them down, man. Just take it by stride, man. Let me step up to the camera. Guys, not because you're poor and in need, that doesn't qualify you to be gravalicious and a glutton. Sometimes you have to just step back and observe what is going on. You see it, being poor and in poverty doesn't mean say when the opportunity come, you must be a glutton and gravalicious. No, take your time, man, and you grow within your new journey. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. Big up yourself. That's how we do it. But anyway, guys, we're gonna jump into the video right now. How the American visitor wanted to buy the Jamaican a car before she fly out back to the United States. One of her main concerns was that she did not like the fact that I was coming home from work, smelling really frowsy or reeking body odor. It was very concerning to her, and she felt as if she could do something to fix the problem. One of the evening I stopped by, we had a lengthy conversation, and she said to me that, I want to do something for you before I go back home. What do you think about I buy you a car? So I said to her, sound like a great idea. Very tremendous idea, man. It sounds good. It's a really logical thing. Hear my thing out now. It may have been wrong the way I said it, or you can leave in the comment and tell me what you think. It would be good to have a car. It would be very beneficial to me. But when you look at 2007, my yearly salary was 220,000 Jamaican dollars. That's from 2007. That's what I was getting. The contract that I signed stated that my yearly salary would have been, it was a supermarket I was working in, packing shelves. I will not use the word, but you give God thanks anyway. So I told her, this is my yearly salary. You already see I can hardly make ends meet to be taking care of my brothers. I have to be making sure that they go to school, they have to be eating and all of that stuff. You buying the car is no problem, but I cannot maintain a car. Who's going to maintain it? I'm not earning enough money to maintain a car to take care of myself and to take care of my family. And the idea sounds good, but it's not logical for me. I'm not gonna be one to call you, oh, the car need this, the car need that. No. So before I put myself in that predicament, I don't need a car because I cannot maintain a car. I'm not earning enough money to take care of a vehicle, or to maintain or upkeeping of a vehicle, to be taking care of myself, and also to be taking care of my brothers. And at the same time, I was building a little house up in the hills, same area, and I said to her, I can't take on that to me right now. I understand your concern. I don't need a vehicle. I cannot maintain a vehicle. So just leave that alone. And she was a little bit upset about it, said that I'm acting as if I don't want her help. I don't need her to help me or to help me with certain stuff. And I let her know. I said, hey, there are a lot of guys out there would say, yes, buy the car. They would say, buy the car. They would say, yes, let's go. Let's go to the car mart right now. Let's go buy a car. They would love it. They have no problem. They would jump on the idea immediately and say, yes, go buy a car. And then the first week they're gonna call you, say, yo, we need a tire for the car. Oh, we need gas. We need money to buy gas. Oh, this happened, this and happened. And the list go on and on and on and on and on. So you buy a car, and then after being in the United States, maintaining a vehicle in Jamaica for somebody that cannot maintain a vehicle. I said it doesn't make sense. You cannot buy a vehicle, give somebody that is not in the position to maintain the vehicle. You're going to be the one to maintain that vehicle, and it doesn't make no sense. So some people are going to say, yeah, you should have let her buy the car, but I had a little bit of money when my father died. I had to use it, put him underneath the hurt. When he died, he only had 100 Jamaican dollars in his account. I am already in a rut. So for you going to buy a car so that I could go home and jump in a car because I don't want to offend anybody by my high holder. That defeat the purpose, man. That's only gonna put me in catastrophic debt, man. You may not say it now. How long could you deal with me calling you, said this happened to the car, I can't do that? You're gonna get fed up of it. So after a couple of days, she kind of calmed down and say, okay, I understand what you mean. I get the point, and I didn't look at it that way. I just wanted to help you out. But guys, let me tell you, man, just to step aside from that for a second, but not too far away from it, but I'm going to couple both topics together. There are a lot of us young guys in Jamaica that whether it's a man or a woman come from overseas and you know, they say this, they like you, and they want to do this. Some of us, we are so gravalicious. Oh, I want to go to I want to go to the villa. I want to go to the hotel. Oh, I want to go shopping. I want to go there. I want to go there. I want this. Let's rent a car. Let's do this. And without no second thought of the person doing the spending. Oh, yes, I got my man just fly down from foreign. My woman just fly down from foreign and she did this for me. And now we're going to the hotel and we're going to rent a car and do this, way. I'm not saying that something is wrong with it. But sometimes some of us, we are too greedy, man. We are too greedy. And sometimes some of these people, they are testing us. You meet a foreign girl and every time you call the girl, you want money. Oh, yeah, send me some money, babes. Me need some money, you know. I got to pay the bills this month. I need this, I need that. Babes, you can send some money. Oh, baby, you know, say, I don't got no money to go to work. Oh, babes, I need a pair of shoes. And some of us are so particular that we even telling them what we want, not what they can afford. We're telling them what we want. We don't even know how their pockets are, but we're dictating to them and tell them that we want. No, I could have said to my wife, buy the car. Yeah, buy a car. And then I figure it out because I want to show people that, oh, the foreign girl bought me a car. I could have done that, but the facade that you're putting on is not generating from your income or out of your pocket or from your hard labor. It's somebody else is doing it. Now, the moment that person is taken out of the picture, you're going to revert back to square one. So why live a facade in the first place? And you know within yourself, if anything goes down, you're going to have to go back to square one. Some of these ladies or some of these gentlemen that travel and meet guys and meet ladies, some of them, whatsoever that they're doing, they're putting it on a credit card. And you know, racking up debts on that person's credit card. I said, and yes, guys, sometimes some of these visitors, they flaunt a lot because they want to let it seem as if they have it like that. It's not every visitor that comes to Jamaica has money. A lot of visitors that visit Jamaica, some of them are living from paycheck to paycheck. How I know? Because I'm in America now, so I see it for myself. While I was in Jamaica, and you see the facade, you see visitors fly in and they come in and they laughing, ray. I say, wow, they got it. You live out of Jamaica and come in United States. A lot of these visitors that are coming on vacation, a lot of them don't have it. Some of us, we may not have that unction to kind of temper down the anxiety or the anxiousness to say, gimme. But sometimes we got to just relax, man. Just relax. And yes, you have a lot of visitors when they come to Jamaica, they flaunt off their money because they want to attract this guy or they want to attract this girl to let it seem as if they got it. But a lot of them don't got it. They save up for their vacation. They put their vacation on a credit card that they have to be paying off every time that they get their paycheck. Some of them, they even file bankruptcy to cancel all those debts that they rack up while they were on vacation. I would encourage any young guys, any young lady, somebody coming from overseas and meet you. Don't be greedy, man. You want this, you want that. Oh, rent this big car. Oh, I want to go to the villa over there. I want to go over there. Oh, you want to go to Highland Grill every day. All of a sudden now, you can cook. You want to go to Island Grill for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You want to go to the Pelican. You want to go to all of these places. Sometimes, guys, we have to be ourselves. Let people see you for who you really are. And if they can love you for who you really are, it took a while for her to fully grasp why I tell her that I didn't want the car. Because a couple of days she was saying, yo, you are so mean, man. You are such a mean Jamaican. Imagine I want to do this for you and you just knock it down just like that. You didn't even go home and think about it. You just knock it down instantly. I will continue to take taxi. I will continue to walk to come up on the hill. Whenever I have extra money, can take the taxi to come up on the mountain, fine. But until then, I will maintain my course. I will maintain my journey until when the real change come, I will know how to deal with the real change. But this is not a real change. This right now is temporal, and this temporal thing, I cannot balance it, and I'm not going to agree to it. I'm sorry. But after a while, she kind of get it. She kind of understand why I was like that and why I am the person that I am. But you have a lot of guys, they are so gravalicious, they are so greedy. They don't care about the person's well-being. They just want, give me. Guys, sometimes some of them are testing you guys. Some of these overseas partner that you are now married to, they were putting you to the test. And you didn't even realize it because you were so gravalicious, you were so greedy that you want everything. Oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Man, you have some people be calling after the person leave, they be calling the person, oh, I need this, send down this, come give me, I need this, oh, I gotta pay the light bill, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. I am not saying that I don't want nothing from you, but you have to understand, I am not only doing this for me, I am protecting you also, because I don't want you to feel as if you are now, every time you come to Jamaica, you have to do this for me, you have to buy this, you have to do that. I said, I don't want to put that stress on you. If you want to bring something, fine, but don't feel as if you have to do this for Manix or do this for his family. I said, no. I said, no. Let me deal with things how I have been dealing with it. If you feel as if you want to do something, fine. But there's a lot of people don't think like this, man. It's all about what they can get, what they what they want. They don't care. I met this lady the other day, and the lady said, after she passed, and she said, hello. And I said, yeah, man, how are you? She said, you're from Jamaica? I said, yeah. You Jamaican guys are so mean. All you guys want is for yourself. You just want. I was talking to a Jamaican, and every day be calling me, oh, I need credit. Oh, I need credit. Oh, I need dinner. I want to go to Burger King. Oh, I want to go to Highland Grill. Oh, I want to go this way. I want to go spend a night with the hotel. I want this. I want you to buy this when you're coming for me. I want that. I want that. I have to just cut him off because all he wanted was stuff. And I said, wow. So you went to Jamaica. You probably was showing a facade, and this young guy probably was one that he loved it, and now you're in America talking about him like that. So I'm saying, suppose, and I listen to this conversation and I say, wow, I could have put my wife in that same predicament where she was talking about me to somebody else. But some people don't think, man. They're just gravalicious and greedy and want, give me. No, guys. Told her no, I don't want a car. She was super upset about it. And that is how I am. You came and you saw it for yourself. Don't try to be the savior of me and my family. Don't be the savior. You are not the savior of us. I understand that you say, okay, you want to do this, you want to do that, you want to do that. But don't put that burden on yourself. It's not necessary. We have been surviving. We will continue to survive. Let us just work in a way in which you won't have an headache down the line and I won't have regret. She understand it. We work out until, you know, car we should drop off of the agenda. So yeah, viewers, sometime some of us, we meet some people or some people meet us. I'm not saying that I try my wife. I'm not saying that my wife was trying me. I don't think that's what she was doing. I think that she was doing it out of the goodness of her heart. But out of the goodness of my heart, I could not put her in that predicament. I could not bear the thought of put her in that stressful situation. No. I've seen it happen already. And you've seen such stuff happen. But yeah, guys, that's how it works out, man. I told her no car, and she said we're not buying a car, and we move on from there. A lot of people gonna say, man, you should have take the car. You should have Ray, Guys, sometimes you gotta step back for a second, man. Not because you're poor and in need. Mean you'll be not because, let me step up to the camera. Guys, not because you're poor and in need, that doesn't qualify you to be gravalicious and a glutton. Sometimes you have to just step back and observe what is going on. Being poor and in poverty doesn't mean say when the opportunity come, you must be a glutton and gravalicious. No. Take your time, man, and you grow within your new journey. You know, bull through China shop, they got you. You learn the part, man, you learn the journey, and as you're going along the journey, you grow, and you understand. I know everybody they're gonna be able to do it. Cause there's a lot of us that grew up in poverty, that when the time come for us to step out, some of us, we step out too fast and we crash. Me know already say being poor no mean say you should be gravalicious when things come your way. No, it doesn't work like that. Because you can harm yourself and harm the person who they try to help you. You see it. But, you know, blessing to my wife, I tell her every time. Much respect, bless you, love you, all of them stuff there. You know. I know everybody that go work out for, like how it work out for me. But I pray that anybody you meet, a oversee person, individual, and you love the person love you, no stress them out, man. No stress them out. No be too gravalicious. No burn them. No burn them down every minute you want. No burn them down, man. Just take it by stride, man. Alright? To Jamaica or anywhere, be yourself, man. Don't go down there. Whether you're single, or you're going to look a man, or you're going to look a woman, no put on the facade, no put on the fake. If you're going to look a man or look a woman, be yourself, man. Be yourself. And when you be yourself, the real individual will come your way. You know, if you pretend and the flaunt stuff and rare, no. When you be yourself, the real person for you will come your way. Blessing and respect to all of you guys every time. Have yourself a blessed one. See you on the next video, guys. One love from Manix Robinson TV every time.